Well, hello, oh my bosses. How do you do? I hope that you are being prosperous in your business because I know I am. I'm starting to venture out into different industries with my branding and marketing. So it's super exciting right now. So thank you guys to my clients that have been giving me the confidence to really stretch out my wings and do some more work with my art. I'm an artist first, so I love that I get to draw and sketch and do things like that I really love to do, like in my personal life, in my spare time. So shout out to you guys that are really utilizing my company for that. Remember, we are L Official Consultant, aka LC Workforce. So we want to make sure that you have a way to express your talents and really give out your natural gifts, because one of my natural gifts is art. So I'm just really excited that I get to use it every day with my business. Okay, so remember, you have to take risks in life, and you definitely have to take risks in business. You have to do your research to calculate if that risk is even worth it. You see what I'm saying? Because sometimes people take risks and they didn't even think about what the return was supposed to be, so it doesn't work out. But do your research. That's one thing that I'm working on. And the more research I do, oh my goodness, I realize that's the more research that I have to do. So it's a good thing. But I'm like, okay, it's worth it, you guys. So my business tip of the week is to push yourself past your limits. I know that's what I'm working on right now because I'm very like tunnel vision. So I'm pushing myself to push past my limits and explore other industries within my industry. Okay, so I encourage you to do the same. Not so fast. You know, you got to make sure you got your MVP, your most valuable product. But once you kind of master that, push yourself and see how far you can go. And you can take that. All right. So take care, all my bosses. I'll see you later. And if you want to be on BossBuzz with me and come on and go live with me, let me know, because I'm looking for people to come on with me. We're going to be going through it on Monday. So let's do this, y'all. Let me know. Hit me in the DMs or just comment. See you later. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.